You think cleaning automation means one robot that makes everything spotless while you do nothing. But the shift starts. Machines take the repeat work, not the whole job. Vacuuming, mopping, and scrubbing eat time because they happen on a schedule. Automation wins when it handles that schedule without asking you to think about it every day. That is why sensors matter more than horsepower. A bin can wait, a floor can wait, but a spill needs the machine to notice and react fast too. Office cleaning changes first in the highest friction spots: desks, counters, conference tables, and shared kitchens. Those are the places where one missed pass turns into a mess fast. Home cleaning does the same thing with less drama. A robot mop covers the floor, while a dock empties itself so the routine stops asking for attention daily. The catch is edge work. Corners, cords, sticky spots, and clutter still need a person, because automation is best at the same path done over and over well. So the winning setup is not a fully hands-off house. It is fewer chores to notice and more time spent fixing what the machine cannot reach yet.